Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. Today we are making a vegan gyro, a vegan version of this traditional Greek dish. And we're also going to make a beautiful tzatziki sauce to go with it. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to start by making the meat substitute. The first thing we want to do is to measure up some Vital Wheat Gluten. I like to use Bosredmo because not too long ago I was at a food convention. All of a sudden I saw Bob, and Kai and I got our picture with him and we got to talk with him for a while. Nicest guy. And he even gave my sister and I a little relationship advice. Don't waste your time on a fool. I used to be one of them. Well, he didn't seem like a fool to me. Onion and garlic powder, paprika and cumin, some red pepper flakes, and a little bit of salt. Next, we're going to make a little well in the middle, and we're going to add some oil, some liquid amino acid, and finally some water. Mix it together. Knead it for 3 or 4 minutes. So once you have a nice dough like this, we're going to roll our dough up in some parchment paper. And we're going to twist the edges. Then we're going to wrap in some foil, shiny side in. Now we're going to cook this, and you can either steam or boil it. Today we are going to steam it. So I have one of these steamer baskets, and we're going to fill with water until right below the basket. Pop the lid on, bring this to a boil, and then reduce it to a simmer. So now we're going to make a quick and easy sauce. Now if you open up your cucumber and the seeds inside are pretty wet, then I would take some of that out with a grapefruit spoon. But this one looks good. I'm going to leave the seeds in. Now we're going to add some fresh minced garlic. I love fresh dill, but if you don't have fresh dill, you can use dried dill. That will taste wonderful too. Some fresh lemon juice, and last but not least, some vegan yogurt. Plain vegan yogurt. No vanilla, raspberry, just plain yogurt. This is gonna make it really creamy. And then we're going to season with some salt, and we're done. Mama flew a drone today for the very first time outside. I discovered Mama is quite daring. I fly the drone, I'm very cautious, I make sure I can see it and that I'm not near any trees or obstacles. Mama just flies. Oh, Mama. I would, no, I go a little higher before you go over that tree. Oh, okay.
It's a while since it's for it to stop, doesn't it?
Yeah, so keep that in mind. Wow, there's a tree right there. Wow. Good job, Mama. So normally you would wait for this to cool down a little bit, but I don't have time today, so I'm just gonna dig right in. Now, if you want to, you can sear these pieces in a pan, or you can just leave them the way they are. We're now going to put everything together, starting with the piece of flatbread, tomato, thinly sliced onion. Some people like to add shredded cabbage. Doesn't that look amazing? I am so excited to eat this. Yum. This is an absolutely fantastic dish. I got the sweetest comment on my cupcake video. Vanessa writes, I made these cupcakes today for the first time, and they are literally the best cupcakes I have ever made. I have tried many different vegan cupcakes, but these take the cake, literally. Thank you so much, Vanessa, for taking the time to write me. This comment literally made my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video.